What are some Instagram shopping errors that can come up when trying to enable the Instagram shopping feature and how to fix them? Hi everyone, I'm Lydia from Incoming Success, and in today's video I'm going to talk all about how to fix Instagram shopping errors and get your feature approved, be able to tag products in your posts, stories, reels, and more. The first error that you might get when wanting to enable Instagram product tagging for your account is that product is unavailable on the website. This is an error that can come up very often, especially when you've tried to change your domain, and if you don't know how to properly change from one domain to another without losing access to the Instagram shopping feature, you can watch this video right here. It tells you everything you need to know. In case this happens to you and you get this error in your Instagram account or your commerce account, here are a few things that you need to check. First things first, you need to check that your domain is verified, and that domain that you verified is the one that you use to sell your products on. So people can go to your website and check out your product, add them to cart, and actually purchase those products. So you need to check that that feature is available on your website and that it works properly, because when Facebook reviews your website, they need to see that everything is working properly. The next thing is that your products are added correctly in your catalog with the right link to the product. If you've used the Pixel or used Shopify, sometimes it can be errors and the product link where people can actually go and purchase that product is not added correctly, and instead it is just your simple website link added for each product of the catalog. So you will need to go and change that link manually for every single product to go to the specific product page for that product with that can be purchased. Obviously, there are other things you need to check before applying again for this feature, so make sure to watch this video right here in which I tell you everything you need to do before applying for another review. The second reason, or the second error that you can get for your Instagram shop and that made your Instagram account be disapproved, is that your Instagram presence is not established or you don't have demonstrated trustworthiness as a brand or Instagram. For that, you will need to grow your engagement, your following, be a lot more active. But what I think they look at the most is the number of followers and engagement on your account. So be active on the platform, gain new followers that are real followers, don't purchase followers, don't do follow for follow. Try and build an authentic brand on Instagram, and in time you will be able to get this feature. Don't hurry up, try and apply again without having these requirements, because it will not help you in the end run. So post daily on Instagram and try and grow your account as well as the Facebook page. It is really important right now to have a bunch of likes on your Facebook page. I suggest at least 250 likes and engagement on there as well. The fourth reason is that domain is not verified, or the website belongs to a different business and it cannot be verified. There are a bunch of errors that can come up when you try to verify a domain in Facebook Business Manager, and in this video I share everything you need to do in case you get one of those errors. But if you haven't verified your domain at all because you don't know how to do it, you can see how in this video right here. If it tells you that your domain belongs to a different business already, it is because you cannot enable Instagram product tagging anymore for websites such as Amazon, eBay, or anything else. For Etsy, it is a bit more complicated. You can watch this video in which I share exactly how to get this feature for an Etsy shop, but for some reason they let you verify the domain, but then they tell you that it doesn't work. So for those errors, my best advice is to contact Facebook support and tell them what are the errors you're facing. Another error that can come up even if your shop got approved is that you cannot tag products in your posts or your stories because the products cannot be visible on your Instagram account. So you go to your commerce account, it is all approved. Your Instagram shop, it says it is approved in the app, but you can't see any of the products there. And the reason for that is that the catalog is not connected properly and you don't have the permissions to manage that catalog. So for that, you need to go to business.facebook.com. So go to your business manager, go to data sources and catalogs, select the catalog that you've added the products to and that belongs to the commerce account that was approved, and then go to Instagram professional accounts or Instagram business profiles, click under your name, and under your name you need to give yourself the option of managing that catalog. So click on manage catalog and click save. After a little while, you'll need to wait a little bit for those changes to reflect on your Instagram account. You'll be able to go to your Instagram account, go to settings, business shopping, and select that catalog. so you can tag products from that catalog in your stories, posts, reels, etc. So after you do that, you'll be able to go to your shop and start tagging products. If that doesn't happen, make sure to leave me a comment down below or contact me on Instagram at lydia.incomingsuccess, share a screenshot with me, and I will do my best to help you out. And the last error that comes up the most often, and it happens when all these things happen, is that the commerce account was disabled because of commerce policies, because your products don't comply. Sometimes when this happens, it's not only the products that have errors, there are some of the reasons that I also mentioned before, but when this happens, usually they're saying that they don't approve your product. So you need to go and check your product and see what errors they have in the catalog, what happened, why are they not complying with their commerce policies. But again, most often this happens because of a multitude of reasons that they don't tell you. So that can be because your Facebook page is not grown enough, your Instagram account doesn't have enough activity, but most often it is because of the Facebook page. So put some effort into that and try growing that and growing the following and the engagement on there as well. When the commerce account is not approved, you can also do a bunch of other things to check that everything is alright before applying for review. So make sure to watch this video right here. That will tell you everything you need to know. That was it for this video. These are some Instagram shopping errors that you can get and how to fix them. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave it a like and subscribe down below for more such videos every single week. And you can also follow me on Instagram at lydia.incomingsuccess for more content on growing online with social media. Thank you so much for being here, and I will see you in my next video.